Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 product size chart plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the admin to easily create a size chart for their Shopware products that require one. The size charts can be referenced by the customers to identify their accurate size. This plugin will definitely be a help to the customers as they can easily check their fit so that they can accordingly select their product size and can place the order thereafter. So using this particular plugin, the admin can create product size charts for their products. The admin can create multiple number of size charts without any restriction. The selection of size charts product wise is available there. You can upload images along with the size charts. Customers will see the size charts on the product page, and the plugin supports .jpg, .png, .jpeg as image formats there. So in today's video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you through the workflow there at the customers end, wherein I'll be showing you how the customers can select and view the size charts on the product page at the storefront. And I'll also be showing you how the admin would be able to add and edit the size charts from the admin backend panel under the plugin configuration settings, and how the admin would be able to add products to a particular size chart there in the configuration settings. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So what I want to show you right now is, for example, if we are having a shoe product that is having a number of sizes there like 5, 6, 7, and we want to have a size chart that could reference it according to different countries there. Right now this particular product is in as a simple product, but for your understanding, this product should have had different options there for the sizes. Now after the successful installation of the Shopware 6 product size chart plugin, you will be able to create the different size charts, and you can assign those size charts to different products as well. So for example, for this particular product, shoe product, I have assigned one size chart to this particular shoe product. So if I tap here, you can see that we have a size chart option on the product page for the particular product itself. So if I tap on the size chart button, the particular size chart would be opened up along with the reference image, option values, and here you can see that the option values are 5, 6, 7, 8 size of the shoe, and according to US we are having 37, 40, 41, 42 centimeters. According to UK we are having, according to European Union and according to India as well, we are having the different sizes for the reference charts, for reference chart basically for the different sizes of the shoe there. Now the customers can accordingly select their particular one, and accordingly they can then choose that particular one from the configurable product there and can add it into the shopping cart thereafter to make a checkout. So this was the shoe. For example, we can also have a t-shirt. For example, we are having a t-shirt, so I've also assigned one size chart to this t-shirt product as well. So for example, we are having different sizes for this t-shirt, and we want to provide a size chart for the reference to the customers there. So we have the size chart option, so I'll tap on that, and that will bring up India, UK, XL, small, medium, large, XL, and the different reference sizes for each of them as well. Accordingly, the customers can then choose any of the sizes there and can add the particular size into the cart to make a checkout thereafter. So this was how the customers can select and view the size chart on the product page at the storefront. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see how the admin would be able to add and edit the size charts, how to add the products to a particular size chart as well. For that, let's hop on to the backend panel of the Shopware store, and let's enter the username, password, and tap on the login button thereafter. Let me cancel this out. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin in the backend panel, after that what you need to do is you need to navigate to settings. Under settings you have to go to extensions. Under extensions you will find the size chart option. So here you can see the complete list of different size charts that we have created. So there is no limit on creation of the size charts. You can create as many number of size charts as you want to create, and then you can assign products to those size charts as well. So for each of the created size charts, you have different options here to edit, to assign product products to the particular size chart or to delete the size chart as well. So for each we have these edit, product list and delete options, edit, product and delete options for each of the size charts that you have created. To add a new size chart, you just need to tap here on the add size chart button, and then you have to enter the details that includes the size chart name, size chart code, the display image, size chart options. Now I've already created a few ones here, so let me edit one of them. So for example, let's edit this footwear size chart that we have created. So I'll just tap here on the edit button. So here you can see that I've given the name as footwear size. Footwear size is this chart size chart code. I've uploaded one image. The same image was visible here on the front end as well to the customers. So if I tap here on this particular product and tap on the size chart, this is the particular image that we were having. And we were having United States, UK, Euro and India, and option values as 5, 6, 7 and different values there for each of the countries there. Now after you have given the size chart name, size chart code, display image has been uploaded, then you have to give the size chart options. Now the size chart options would be the column names that would be created there for the front end itself. So here you can see that I've given US, UK, Euro and India, and then I've tapped on the create options button. Now this would basically create these columns with the names US, UK, Euro, India. If here I'd put anything else as well, that would also be created here as a column name. After creating the options here for the US, UK, Euro, India, then you have to tap on the add option row, and that would add a row. Then you can double click here and you can enter the details as per your own requirement. For example, for size 9, the US value would be for example 43 centimeters, 43 cm. For UK it would be 41 cm. For Euro it would be 32 cm. For India it would be 31 cm. Likewise, you can add more option values as well, and accordingly those option values would be added here. After 8 it would be 9, and according to the values that you have given for US, UK, Euro and India, you can create the same. So that's how easy it is to create the size chart options or the column names by entering the values separated by commas and tapping on the create options, and that would create the different column names. And then you have to tap on the add options row button to add the options to the row, and then you can tap on the save button to save the same. So let's tap here on the save button and the particular size chart would be saved. Now how the admin would be able to add products to a particular size chart. So for example, I want to assign this footwear size chart to a particular product. So I'll tap here, tap on the product list. Here you can see that I've assigned it to the shoe product that we have at the storefront, the shoe product. If I want to add this same size chart to another product as well, I have to tap here on the add products, and here I can search for the products, and after selecting the product here I can tap on the save button to save the particular size chart to the other product as well. Now if I go back, here you can see that now the same size chart is available for the shoe as well as for the main product with advanced prices as well. So that's how the admin would be able to add products to a particular size chart as well. Apart from that, if you want, you can edit the details by tapping on the edit, or if you want to delete any size chart, then you can tap on the delete button to delete the same. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 product size chart plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how it allows the admin to easily create a size chart for the Shopware products that require one. The size charts can be referenced by the customers to identify their accurate size. This extension will definitely be a help to the customers, as they can now easily check their fit so that they can accordingly select their product size and can place the orders thereafter. So if you still have any questions, queries, sessions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.